Hi, I'm Rash Ravi Shankar with the 35th episode of Friday Poems. I'm thankful to all those poets who have been cooperating with us and who have been sending us poems regularly so far. And I expect many more poets to join in as we are already into the 35th episode and we hope to continue for 1 year at least. The poet we are introducing today is a very young poet from Bengal, Shamayita, who is uh, uh, who is currently from Delhi, being a lecturer and PhD research candidate in the Department of English, University of Delhi. She is the author of For the Hope of Spring, hybrid poems, and she has been editing quite a few anthologies, especially the editor of collegiate and other collegiality and other poems, other ballads, feminist poems by male and non-binary allies. Her poems have appeared or are forthcoming in Ambidextrous Bloodhound Press, News Pipe Press, Outlook India, Madras Courier, News India, Usawa Literary Review, Setu, Book of Poetry of Dissent, which has already come out, Witness, and Kusadilda and other poems. So she is a very important young poet coming up on the Indian scene, Indian English poetry scene. And over to Shamayita Sen to read two of her poems for us today. Thank you.
Hello everyone. I'm Shamayita. I will be reading two of my poems as suggested by a dear friend Ravi Shankar for his YouTube channel Fridaypoems. Both these poems are forthcoming in different journals. The first one is a single sentence poem, and the next one is a prose poem. The first one I have titled it On Distance. So here I begin. I trace on the screen of my phone, now a crumpled world map, the probable path your flight takes tonight, and the fecundating distance between my soul and your shadow becomes the labyrinth of my desire. The second poem is titled I Wake Up. I begin. I wake up with you moist on my cheeks. Your trudged arms, wrapped in cellophane, snatch at the many morning suns, pinholed across a casket of foliage decorating our veranda. My body is an aquarium where I bury experiences fossilized to be later used as metaphors. I remember a child's eye peering through vintage green marbles, marveling at frozen time. I denounce my bed, move towards a drawer of discarded photos. The shards of glass under my feet bleat rhododendrons, shooting blasphemous kisses at you.